So I ordered these guys online and this is how they came shipped. They come in this little foam wrapper situation, and then this is your card of authenticity. Now with your sunglasses, you get a microfiber cloth to clean your glasses with, a dust bag for your case, and of course your actual case. As the story goes, I was doing my casual online shopping at 1 a.m. Don't act like you've never done it. And these actually caught my eye. The rest is sort of a blur. I really don't know what happened, but they were also shipped to me, so I think I bought them. And here we are. Here are the glasses. They're much bigger in person, which is most excellent if you love that oversized, glamorous Hollywood look. If we turn these guys over, the sides are also pretty lit. This is definitely not the pair of sunglasses for the type of person that colors within the lines, if you know what I'm saying, and I think you do. These sunglasses feature a medium brown, non-polarized lens. What that means is this is not a great pair for people watching, as they can still see your eyes when you wear them. Alright, so let's go over the measurements. We have a 60mm lens width, a 9mm nose bridge, and the temples measure out to 140mm long. And this is what the sunglasses look like on me.